Maybe back in like the 50s.
Yeah.
Are these guys working or not? Oh, we don't care anyway. Yep.
Did you just put a foot down then?
I did.
Oh.
Did a big wheelie out of there though to make up for it. Yeah. It's pretty stealth, this little fucking crossing.
Yeah, it is.
I wonder how much water's in there now.
Could be a little bit more. I don't think it rained much here though.
Yeah.
Last night, to be honest.
Oh, there's a big rock in there. Whoa, the spider! Oh! It's a fair bit.
Is it wet?
It's not too bad, but there's a big fucking rock here. I might move it. Whew. Okay, here goes.
Well done. Any tips?
Nope. Don't crash.
Don't crash, don't crash.
Good tip. No problem?
No problem.
It's actually pretty muddy in there, eh? Bike's like instantly dirty. I'm gonna die. Why's it down?
It's pretty freaking muddy, man.
Oh man, it is. Hope you don't run into me. Yoo-hoo! Should we try on the beach just there?
Yeah, it's on the beach. Where do we get on?
I was just looking just here, yeah.
I'll just do a Yui. Come back.
You can go on just there where you are. Just cut through. Oh, it's really hard.
Ah, this is so cool. Riding on the beach. Love it. I love it.
There's like heaps of fucking steel bars. Oh, oh shit! I might not try to go around that bit.
I don't think so.
Would you like a push? Oh yeah, it's happening.
You're riding around that, man.
Nope.
Momentum will get you around there, no problem.
If I had momentum there, I'll go straight into the ocean.
There should be a rule against that.
We can go this way. Come back around. Can you go anywhere from there?
Yeah, I can just boost up here.
Oh, okay. Straight in front of my wheel. Yeah. Yep. Sweet. No problem. It's flicking up so hard. It's funny how like different your bike behaves, eh?
Yeah, with the tyre, different tyres, different.
No, on the sand, I mean.
Conditions, yeah.
Oh, that's just coming out of nowhere. Yeah. Oh man, we could like boost all the way over here, eh? Whoa. It's crabs.
Yeah. Did we come around this side? We did.
Nah. We haven't been over here. Oh shit. It's just near the trees, eh, where it gets all muddy. Oh, it's someone's crab pot. Shit, scary. It's like, just keep going that way. We could. Or do we stay up in the safe land? Might be actually less than. Oh!
Pretty boggy right there.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Oh no, I kind of want to go out there into the
ocean. Yeah, you've got a thing with that.
No, no, just like across over there. We'd easily make it. Let's do that. I think it's like less boggy down there, down there than it is in here. Are you going first or second?
I'll go second when I get down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hard as.
Yeah. Do a wheelie. Just over this shit.
Oh. Did you get any grip?
Yeah.
Really?
I pulled back on the handlebars hardcore.
Yeah. Imagine if like water cops rocked up.
But what would they do? You'd just fucking boost.
Yep. Oh. Yeah, you've ridden in the Brisbane River.
Nice one. Look at all those crabs. Did you see them all?
No? Oh, yeah, look at all this just here.
Look at these ones.
Oh, real small, eh?
Yeah.
Who needs
Oh,
a boat?
See? They're like really small mud crabs.
Yeah.
Except this was full of them. They've all boosted like back down.
We should take a photo. Because it's a DRZ and weighs 4 tons.
What if you do this?
It just makes it. It's like there's a hard crust on top. Look, am I just like, nah. No way. Need like an epic flash or something. Doesn't turn out as good as your eyeballs make it.
Yeah, it's a good photo.
I feel like this is what bribery would be like. Oh, it's just pretty awesome, eh?
That's so awesome, mate. That is so freaking cool. Hey?
Yeah, how good's low tide?
Yeah. Like that was just wheelie, wheelie, wheelie.
Do a jump off here.
Yeah, that was actually pretty good. Come back and have a look at where you actually...
What made the carnage?
No, where you landed.
Oh yeah, it actually did get airtime. I reckon if you like did a burnout here.
Look at all these crabs. Look, 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 look.
Are you hurting them?
No.
Holy shit!
Yeah, see what I mean? Hi, cool little dudes.
Yeah, holy fuck, look at them all here too.
Yeah, I know.
Woohoo! Awesome. I might change my camera to low light.
Yeah.
Are you going that way?
Yeah.
I'll see if I can get back over there. Oh, I'm hitting like all the muddiest spots.
Yeah, we fully have never been here before.
Awesome. Did you make?
There's ducks.
Did you make your own road?
Nah, there's a track.
Oh my god, I'm like fully making my own road and there's a track here. Look at all the dirt on the left.
I know.
Why are we on this little track?
Because there's ducks.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you herding them?
No.
No, herding as in making them walk.
Herding, yeah.
Yeah, not hurting. Oh, we're like on the in. Yeah, we're. What the fuck? We should be over there on that dirt. This shows how salty the water is. You can tell it's been here and it's dried up.
Yeah.
Wow! Oh! I think this is like. That,
yeah, let's get off this.
that front. Oh! Holy shit! It's like
You never can tell. Because it looked hard, eh?
Yeah, it looked like nothing. Yee! It looks like nothing from up here. Like when you're riding down there, it feels so like I'm gonna get bogged.
Momentum.
What for?
Oh no, it's flying around there, eh?
Yeah. Your one was up further. That looks so cool because it's just like black except for your headlight.
Yeah.
And like sunset in the background shit.
Yeah.
Ah shit. This one's gonna be carnage. Fucking hell, I should have had my visor down.
Do that again, I want to get it on film.
No.
The water was above your head.
Yup, I can tell because I swallowed half of it.
On the beach on the way back here, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, bugs.
Oh, that's right. That's what all this shit was. It's fucking bugs.
Bug o'clock.
Yeah. So as soon as the sun goes down, they're like, hey, how's it going? Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god!
What happened?
There's like 1,000 bugs just there near that tree, and I just closed my visor.
Yeah, yuck.
I closed my visor and caught half of them. Yeah, epic marks. Yeah, it's funny this one's fully like a jump, eh?
Yeah.
Ugh. I'm like covered in bugs. Ah! You fucker! What the fuck? Have we not been along this bit?
Well, there's no tracks here.
Yeah. Oh, this is where you got to.
Yeah, true, too.
Should we try to go around?
Yeah, Yeah, it's fine. Just, you need a bit of momentum, that's all.
Oh, it's all rocky. Oh, oh yeah. I was just like idling in first. Holy fuck, man! There's like armies of those crabs, eh?
Yeah.
I've like never gone slow enough to actually look. Whoa! Oh, I'm killing like 50 at a time.
This is probably their time of day for peace and serenity.
Yeah.